Hello everyone, I'm your coach Sona Bhatt. If you are applying to top IT companies like Google, Microsoft, Infosys, TCS, or even startups like Zoho or Razorpay, this video is your complete guide to creating a resume that not only passes through Applicant Tracking System, that is ATS, but also get noticed by real hiring managers. If this is something you need, stick with me till the end because I will walk you through the exact format, what to include, what to avoid, and even how to make it interview ready. But before I start, a small request. If you found this video helpful, give it a like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe for more career advice. Now, let's get started. Now, let's talk about our top section. Section number 1. What top IT companies look for. See, before we talk about format, let's understand what is this, like what exactly top companies are looking for. Because once we are clear about what exactly they are looking for, then it is very easy to create a resume that will fulfill their requirements. See, top IT recruiters scan resume for 3 things. First, technical proficiency. They look for skills like Java, Python, React, AWS, or as per the job's requirement. Number 2, they look for problem-solving impact. See, not just what you did, but how you improved system, saved time, or increased efficiency. Number 3, project relevance. They want to see your hand-on experience, especially in live projects, internship, or even client work. This is something very important. They also look for soft skills like teamwork, communication. Ownership matters a lot, especially when you are looking for a leadership role, mid to senior level. So rather than just putting what you are doing on a day-to-day basis on your resume, start focusing on the impact, your skills, your technical skills, and the value you are bringing to the table. Now this leads to us to the next section, that is section number 2. What is an ATS resume format for IT resumes? See, ATS means Applicant Tracking System. It's a software used by 95% of big IT companies to scan resume before even a human eye can see it. ATS-friendly resumes means no table, no boxes, no fancy designs. Use standard fonts like Calibri or Arial and minimum sizes 10 to 12. Submit it in doc format or PDF format unless the job posting is saying some different format. Use the keywords from the job description. So this is the basic layout. See, if the job posting is saying Agile, Python, Cloud, that means your resume should have that keywords. Then only your resume will be ATS compliant or your resume will be ATS friendly. So now we know that what IT recruiters are looking for in a resume. Now we also know what is applicant tracking system and how to ensure that our resume will be ATS friendly. Let's talk about the resume format. That leads us to section number 3, the best resume structure. So here I will be providing the ideal structure for IT resume. This is tested, trusted, and recruiters approved. So first we will be focusing on the header. Your name, your phone number, your email ID, your LinkedIn link, and your GitHub, or if you have some other websites, that link. After header comes your summary. Make sure you include summary, not an objective. See, summary will be a sharp snapshot of your skills, your domain expertise, and your years of experience. See this example. Here we are talking about a stack developer, how much experience he is bringing to the table, his expertise, his skill set, and if he is having any achievement, the track record, that will also come on the summary. So this is a perfect example of a summary for a stack developer. Third point we will include is technical skills. Because you are targeting a technical role, so technical skills matters a lot. So rather than just putting all the technical skills like a dump, we are going to segregate it. We are going to make a category for the skills. That will enhance the resume's readability, and also it will be easy for ATS to scan the exact skill. So fourth section on the resume will be your experience section. You can use professional experience or industrial experience or organizational experience headline for that. And always use your experience in reverse chronological order. Each entry should have your job title, your company name, dates, or duration of the employment, and also include 2 to 4 bullet points for each role that should show your action and impact, like automated CI or CD pipelines using Jenkins, reducing employment time by 60%. See, here we talked about the problem, your inputs, and the impact. That way, each bullet point of your professional summary will be impact driven, and that is what we call a result driven or impactful resume. After your experience section, the fifth point will be your project. How many projects you have taken? We are going to discuss your project details here in the project section. If you are a fresher, your experience section will not be there. There it will be internship. You will be talking about your internship in the part of professional experience, and then you can talk about the projects. But if you are having any experience, you are a professional, experienced professional, the experience section will remain over there. Ensure to use live and relevant projects in the project section. Use this example. You have to ensure that the project section also include impact-driven statement that yes, this is the problem, this is my input, and this is the result. CAR method, challenge, action, and result. That way, your project section will be also impact-driven, and this will also create a strong resume for you. After project comes the important section, that is certification and education. Include your BTech, BCA, MCA, or list of certifications like AWS certification or your Microsoft certification. See, this section, education and certification, is very important if you are a fresher or just started your career or having less experience, 4 to 5 years of experience. But if you are a professional having very good experience, let's say 10 plus years of experience, this will remain on the downside and this will not create so much effect. But yes, certification will surely impact, because certification shows that yes, you are an active learner, you are still learning and keeping yourself updated with the new changes coming up in the market. So certifications are very important for you as an experienced professional, but education and certification both are very important if you are a fresher or just started your career journey with less experience. So now our section number 3, resume format and layout, is completed. Now let's talk about our segment number 4, common resumes mistakes. See, I am into this industry for almost like 12 years and I have seen so many resumes that are full of mistakes. Even freshers to top leaders all do a lot of mistake on the resume. First common mistake that I see is generic resume. Looking for a challenging role. See, nobody look for a challenging role. So rather than making your resume generic or listing job responsibility on the resume, make it more accomplishment driven. Focus towards the result. What you have done, what improvement you bring to the table, how you help the organization, how you help the team. You mentored something, you organize some process, you streamline some process, how you help the client. All these things bring impact on the resume, and then only your resume will become impact driven or result driven. So rather than talking about the normal doer thing on your resume, focus on the impact. Don't think that yes, I have made a resume, now my resume will be ready for each and every position. No, you have to do little customization according to the job's requirement, because each organization is looking for something different, and that something different you have to identify. Reading the job description is the only key to identify that thing, and once you identify, you have to incorporate these in your resume. So stop using generic resume, stop using different font on the resume, stop using long resume. Everything is leading to no or rejection. So use these tips and your resume will be more aggressive, more impactful and result driven. Now we know that what mistake we need to avoid. So let's shift to section number 5, final checklist. So here I'm providing you a checklist, quick checklist that you can use every time when you are working on a resume. First, you have to focus on clean professional layout because readability matters a lot. Second is relevant keyword. Read the job description and include the keywords. Then quantify achievements, impact, CAR method, challenge, action and result. Then tailor your resume for each application. You have to read the job description. You have to identify, okay, these are the keywords right now missing on my resume, and incorporate these keywords, but in a seamless manner. You don't need to dump all the keywords on the resume. You have to incorporate these keywords in a manner that it should sound like it's your own story. It's a journey, and all these keywords, all these skills are part of your journey. Next important checklist is you have to ensure that your resume is doc or PDF format. If the format is different or if the organization is asking for different format, then only go for that format. Otherwise, Word and PDF is the best format for your resume. So this is the checklist that you need to follow every time when you are applying for a position. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with a friend who's job hunting in tech. And if you would like to have a personalized help on your resume or LinkedIn profile, reach out to me through LinkedIn. See you in the next video and best of luck with your job application.